What if I told you that right now, you could use free or low-cost AI tools to start earning $100 a day from home? The AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that real people are using to make money every day. Stick around till the end, because the last one might just be your easiest side hustle yet. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I talk about AI, the future of work, and smart online income ideas. If that's your thing, hit that subscribe button so you never miss what's next. Alright, let's dive in. First up, ChatGPT. You can use it to create content like blog posts, social media captions, or even full scripts for YouTube videos, just like this one. Here's how people are earning. Freelancers sell AI-written blog posts on Fiverr and Upwork for $150 each. Others build niche websites and monetize them with ads using ChatGPT-generated content. Estimated potential: $5,200 a day with consistent projects. Next, Canva Magic Studio or Ideogram for AI design. These tools help you create logos, social media posts, and thumbnails in minutes. No design skills needed. You can offer design gigs on Fiverr or Etsy, or start a print-on-demand store selling posters or t-shirt designs. Earning potential: $30–100 per day depending on how many designs you sell. Number 3, 11 Labs, plus in video AI. This combo is perfect for faceless YouTube or TikTok automation channels. The idea: write a script with ChatGPT, use 11 Labs for a natural AI voiceover, then edit it in video using stock clips and templates. You can make content like tech news or motivational videos and monetize through YouTube ads or affiliate links. Earning potential: $100 a day once your channel gains traction. Number 4, Pika Labs or Runway ML. These tools create short AI videos from text prompts, perfect for social media ads or brand reels. Freelancers are offering AI-generated ad videos for businesses, charging $200–500 per project. Earning potential: $100 a day if you land one client every few days. And finally, Notion AI or Copy.ai. Use them to create eBooks or templates and sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. People sell Notion templates for $10–30 each. Sell just 5 a day, and you're already at $100. Earning potential: $50–150 a day once your product gains traction. Here's a quick bonus tip. Combine these tools. Use ChatGPT to write, Canva to design, and InVideo for social media videos. Stack your skills, and your income multiplies fast. So there you have it. 5 AI tools to help you make $100 a day, even as a beginner. You don't need to be an expert. Just start, experiment, and grow. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe, and comment which tool you'll try first.